I am Oluwaseyiedun, lordstar, Mr. Shining, kingofaction, the beacon of possibility, a mentor of multiple streams of income. I'm an artist and entrepreneur. I'm also a writer, producer, director, DOP, developer, and investor. I mentor people how to make money online legitimately. Yeah, how can you start making money online legitimately? You can start making money online legitimately by bringing your everyday business into online presence to reach millions of people. Yeah, you can start making money by doing content creation, by learning new skills, you understand, by tutoring, by being an affiliate marketer, freelancer, offering services to people in return for money, you understand. So that's what I'm here for you, to give you IQ, idea, on, and show you the way you can start making money by investing, by trading online. There are so many ways you can start to make money. Yeah, if you know you are interested, just go to the comment section and type I want to know how to make money, and I am ready to show you.